and welcome to this updated video. I really do hope that you're doing amazing, and it's been a little while since I've posted an update, mainly because of the fact that nothing crazy has been going on, nothing much or nothing new is really out there. But now we're going to be looking at what is happening across the Atlantic basin, with focus being on the Caribbean as per usual. And as we take a look at the infrared weather satellite here, we can see that there is that frontal system. It actually extends to the Caribbean, and there is that cluster of activity noted within the Gulf of Mexico. So you could see an area of low pressure develop there and move off across the Gulf into the Atlantic. And look into other areas such as parts of Northern and South America. There's a bit of action around, a couple of thunderstorms noted here and there. And then as we take a closer look into the region, this is what we are dealing with. So we've got these clouds coming in from the east. That is helping to influence the rainfall activity for the Lesser Antilles, especially the Leeward Islands and Northern Windward Islands. So you can let me know what it's like for you. It should be intermittent showers at times. And even as we head to the vicinity of Puerto Rico, going to parts of Hispaniola, there's a bit of action as well. Not a whole lot of activity for Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and towards sections of Central America. Now, just before I delve deeper into this update, some of you guys may have seen over the past maybe few weeks or so when I made a post in the community section of my channel. So I have published my first book called Weatherwise. It is geared towards kids. It is filled with a lot of different weather activities, and it is available for purchase on Amazon. So please click that link in the pinned comment down below for more details on how to purchase. So you can definitely get that for maybe you have a child, maybe you have a grandchild, a godchild, a sibling, a younger sibling, that this book would be very much suitable for. If you, even if you want to get it for yourself, by all means, go to that link and it'll take you straight to that page on Amazon. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the rainfall forecast for today. Here we go. So we're seeing a bit of color around, and the more color we see indicates more rainfall activity expected. So there could be some showers within the vicinity of parts of the central and southern Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, Cuba, maybe a few spots within the Cayman Islands. Again, there's that frontal system which extends to the area, so there's a bit of moisture around. For parts of Jamaica, Hispaniola, there could be some passing showers in a few spots, nothing crazy. As we head to Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, similar story. And then, of course, as I mentioned, for the Lesser Antilles, we've got those cloud clusters coming in. As we head more towards the Grenadines, Grenada, Tobago, there's likely to be very little rainfall activity. So this area is going to be a bit drier than the islands further up north. Similar thing for the ABC Islands, much not expected at all. As we head to Northern South America, for parts of the Guyanas, there could be some downpours here and there. And then there could be quite a bit of heavy rain within sections of Colombia and even Venezuela. Central America, there's not going to be a whole lot of substantial rain, but there may be a heavy downpour here and there for some spots. Now, that is what is going on in terms of the weather. We're going to look at the seismic update for the region in a moment, but I want to move on to this graphic here. Now, this is the precipitation anomaly that is expected within the next week or over the next 7 days. So we can see that there is two main colors. We see yellows and we see shades of green. Now, the shades of green represent above average rainfall that is expected. Yellows indicate below average rainfall, where we see the whites, that is indicating areas of where the precipitation is likely to be pretty much normal. So for most of the Caribbean, we are seeing that it is these paler yellow shadings and white shadings that are mostly dominant. And that is indicating that, hey, we may not see much variation in terms of our rainfall activity over the next week. But then notice in the Gulf, as I said, there's that airflow pressure that's going to be developing. It's going to be moving off to the east-northeast. And so may bring with it quite a bit of rain or above average rain to parts of South Florida and even the northern Bahamas. So nothing crazy is expected with our weather over the next week. And as we take a look at the seismic update for the region now. So this is a look at the graphic showing the location pins of the epicenters of the recent earthquakes. And we can see that there's been quite a bit within the vicinity of Puerto Rico and also the Dominican Republic. And there was an earthquake within southern Haiti as well. That was a 3.3. And within the Leeward Islands, just offshore, there was a magnitude of 3.7. So this is one of those the strongest, most recent earthquakes within the region, of 3.7. You can let me know if you guys felt that. It happened yesterday. in the morning. But overall, that's been the the kind of thing that we see across the Caribbean, and something that I always emphasize, that we are seismically active, and we pretty much get these light to moderate shake-ins. They're pretty common across the region. And then towards Central America, there's a lot of location pins over there, because that is along the Pacific Ring of Fire, which is very seismically active. So that is pretty much what I wanted to bring to your attention in today's update video. And again, you can go to that pinned comment and check out the link to my first published book on Amazon. And that is it for today, guys. So I do hope you found this update to be informative. However, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. I will get to you when I have the chance to do so. And remember to always be weatherwise.